In primetime news this evening, killer of Clarendon family sentenced to nearly 62 years in prison.
Mixed reactions from family and community about the length of Barnett's sentence.
And 4 persons in custody following brutal killing of Hanover businessman. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Thank you, Janella. So the government spent more money than budgeted for April to August, but taxes and revenues also exceeded budget. I'll give you the details later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon, we go to Karen. She'll give us a preview of what's coming in sports. Karen?
Thanks, Herman. Well, which West Indies will turn up? That's the question on the lips of long-suffering fans as the regional team takes on Ireland in a must-win game. This at the ICC T20 World Cup at 11 o'clock tonight, Jamaica time. I'll tell you more.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what is your experience with mosquitoes and rats in your community recently?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.